In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share video on Zoom natively. By the end, you'll know how to let everyone see your video clearly and hear its audio directly from your computer, which sounds far better than playing it through your microphone. First, open Zoom and join or start your meeting. It helps to have your video ready to go in the app you'll use, whether that's a browser tab, a media player, or a PowerPoint slide with embedded video. Pause the video at the exact moment you want to begin and close any apps that might slow your connection. Next, click the green Share Screen button in the meeting toolbar. This opens the sharing window where you choose what Zoom will broadcast. If you're on a Mac and don't see your windows, you may need to grant screen recording permission in your system settings beforehand, but assuming you've already done that, you're good to continue. Now select the specific window or screen where your video is. Picking the dedicated application window, like your media player or the exact browser tab, keeps the share clean and avoids showing notifications or unrelated content. If your video spans multiple apps, or you plan to switch windows during playback, you can share your entire screen instead. Just be mindful of pop-ups and set your device to Do Not Disturb if needed. Before you share, enable computer audio. In the lower left corner of the Share dialog, check the box labeled Share Computer Sound or Share Sound. This routes the audio straight from your device to participants. Set your system volume to a comfortable mid-level so the sound is clear without distortion. Participants can still adjust their own volume on their end. Also check Optimize for video clip. This tells Zoom to prioritize motion so playback feels smooth. It may slightly lower resolution to keep the frame rate steady, which is usually best for video. Click Share to begin sharing. You'll see a thin border around the shared area and a small toolbar at the top of your screen. Switch to your video and press play. Go full screen if you want a cleaner look. If you don't plan to speak over the video, consider muting your microphone to avoid echo. If audio seems low, raise the volume in your player or system slightly. If playback stutters, pause briefly and ensure no large downloads are running. When you're done, move your cursor to the top and click the red Stop Share button. You'll return to the regular meeting view, ready to continue your session.